smoke wall to show everyone. So the first thing you want to do is position your T around these sandbags. Line up with this darkened line on the yellow with the brown railing and where this line also joins up. Jump through. And this will go relatively deep onto the site, and that means anyone that is CT, Heaven, or Con won't be able to see you going up short. Anyone that's headshot will still be able to see some stuff if they jump up, but not really too much, and it does expose them a lot. Next thing you'll want to do is have a T position just so they can see this little sliver of bollard, lining up with this white post as well. It's the second one along, and then with the first one along, just want to line up with the top. I'll just roof throw the first grenade, left click that one, and you'll see it's quite a nice little smoke wall. Now, anyone that's directly on the site, yeah, they won't be smoked off, but that's one angle really to watch. So then you only have there, headshot, and then if you've not cleared shot, then around there as well. But it does cover quite a lot, and anyone that's Heaven also won't be able to see. So I'll just rethrow that last one, at least as an example. Now the only place they might be able to see is a bit there, but there's really not much shown. So that's really handy and quick. Execute.